Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will review this 2026 VinFast MPV7 full electric vehicle with 450 km EV range. Let's go! Alright, so yung price po pala nito is 1,518,000 pesos SRP without the battery subscription. And para naman doon sa may battery subscription, it will cost you 1,239,000 pesos SRP. So meron po siyang 150 kilowatts for the motor and single speed, front wheel drive, and has a maximum output of 201 horsepower and a maximum torque of 280 Newton meter. And yung battery capacity niya is 60.2 kilowatt hour. In terms of dimension naman, it has a length of 4,740 mm, 1,872 mm for the width, and yung height niya is 1,734 mm. Wheelbase is 2,840 mm. Yung turning circle is 12 meters. Ground clearance of 185 mm. And yung trunk capacity niya is 124 liters. Of course, this MPV7 is naka 7-seater. So yung napansin ko dito guys, dito sa likod, hindi siya naka-automatic tailgate. So manual lang yung tailgate. So dito sa front fascia, it features a modern and futuristic EV design highlighted by the VinFast signature V-shaped LED daytime running lights connected to an illuminated center emblem. It uses slim LED lighting, vertically positioned projector headlamps, and a smooth closed grille for improved aerodynamics. Sculpted bumper lines and black lower cladding add sporty character, while the wide stance and upright profile give the MPV a strong and premium road presence. So dito tayo sa side profile, meron tayong nakikita ditong slim fender. Ayan. Black matte finish, connected naman dito sa front bumper, and yung size ng gulong natin is 235/50 R19. Cylon po yung brand. So ito po yung mags niya, naka all black. And then dito sa baba, parang may body cladding na naka matte black finish, which is a good combination dito sa white color. So dito tayo sa side mirror, meron tayong nakikita ditong turn signal light repeater naka LED, and wala tayong nakikitang 360 na camera. Pero yung side mirror naka two-tone, black and white, which gives more attention dito sa side profile. So yung handle natin is body color lang, of course keyless entry. And then same dito sa likod, may slim fender and naka-ventilated disc brake. 5 holes po yung gulong natin. And then naka-shark fin with piano black finish na accent. So yung mga ilaw dito sa likod, naka-LED, merong reflector, meron tayong nakikita ditong 4 na sensors. Housed in a matte black finish combination na rear bumper. And of course, hindi mawawala yung spoiler with an LED third brake light. So ito yung design dito sa likod na may ilaw at saka brake light. And meron dito yung rear camera. So nandito yung location ng charging for the AC and DC connections. So iilaw yan pag naka-charge. Alright, so pasok tayo dito sa cabin. So mapapansin natin guys, it's a combination of a brown and black accent dito sa mga upuan. At the same time dito din sa side profile. So dashboard perspective, very futuristic. And dito sa side profile, makikita natin dito yung combination ng black and naka-leather na brown with stitching. Naka all power naman yung mga windows, 4 na windows. Tapos meron ditong cup holder, yung speaker, console. And then yung adjustment ng mga upuan is naka-manual lang. So for the driver at the same time doon sa passenger. So pasok tayo dito sa steering wheel, makikita natin merong naka black stitching, naka leather wrap yung steering wheel. And of course merong mga control buttons dito connected doon sa infotainment. Kasama na yung cruise control. And yung aircon vent dito sa left side, naka hard plastic naman yung dashboard. And what's the good thing about this VinFast, no, as I observe, is yung instrument cluster niya is integrated na dito sa infotainment. So ito yung mga aircon vents sa passenger side at sa middle. Ito naman yung key for this MPV7. May dalawang cup holders, pero wala akong nakikita ditong wireless charging. So meron dito lagay ng gamit. Ayan, so ito yung napapansin natin guys, yung 1/4 ng screen on the left side, ito yung instrument cluster ni VinFast. I think sa lahat ng mga models integrated sa infotainment yung ano niya, instrument cluster. So ito yung switch ng camera sa likod, naka high definition din naman. So yung center mirror. So yung cabin light is full length with LED. Yung vanity mirror dito sa passenger side. And of course sa driver, wala tayong nakikita ang mirror. So naka-LED pala yung cabin lights dito for this model. And very elegant din yung leather for this variant. So ito yung nakikita kong very unique for this VinFast, yung reverse, neutral, yung parking at saka yung for this button, this is the parking, and yung drive is integrated na dito sa ilalim ng manubela. Parang naka-paddle shifter lang. Alright, so dito naman tayo sa second row. Sa side profile, the same, consistent doon sa harapan. And yung speaker, the same design din. And then, yung pag-open ng door, andito. Parang similar doon sa nakikita natin sa BYD. Then, may cup holder sa baba. Medyo masikip lang. And then, what's the good thing about this MPV7 is naka 7-seater. Pero wala tayong nakikita ditong center console. So, medyo maluwag din dito sa loob. Kasi medyo mataas yung length for this variant or for this model. So for the dashboard perspective, so very clean. Walang masyado tayong makikita mga features or whatever design dito sa ano. Kasi again, integrated na yung instrument cluster sa infotainment. So malapad naman yung at malalim naman yung center console. And then meron tayong nakikita ditong aircon vents. And sa baba, yung USB ports, Type A and Type C. So may pocket dito sa driver at saka of course sa passenger. So in terms of the legroom space, okay din naman. Kasi medyo pwede pa namang i-forward yung upuan ng driver. So yung ilaw for the cabin, LED. So dito naman tayo sa third row. What's the good thing about this MPV7? Kasi naka-flatten na yung design for the third seats. And meron tayong nakikita ang mga cup holders, yung grab handle, and then yung aircon vents din dito sa third row. Which is very important also for the third row passengers. So left and right, meron tayong makikita ang cup holders. And yung LED na mga ilaw. And then meron din ditong socket. So medyo kampante ka dito in terms of the space kasi pwede mong tupiin yung second row para mas malapad yung mas malawak yung cargo space mo dito. So meron din tayo nakikita ditong compartment in which pwede mong malagyan ng gamit. Not only here, no, but also sa front kasi this is a full electric, so meron ding space doon sa front under the hood na pwede mong malagyan ng gamit. Now in terms of the features or safety, so meron tayong driver's airbag, front passenger's airbag, the side airbag dalawa, so more or less meron tayong 4 na airbags for this MPV7. Meron tayong electronic brake distribution or the anti-lock brake force distribution, anti-lock braking system or the ABS, immobilizer, security alarm, stability control, electronic door locks, speed sensing door locks, ISOFIX, cruise control, yung mga sensors na nakikita natin kanina, naka-push start button, and then of course 10.1 inch infotainment screen, which is capable of Bluetooth, USB, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. So by the way guys, yung warranty po ng battery nito is 10 years. And then meron na din siyang hill start assist and tire pressure monitoring. So in terms of safety features, so you can have all the safety features of this MPV7. So this could be one of your options in getting a 7-seater affordable 7-seater na vehicle. Good for your family. Alright, so I hope nagustuhan niyo yung review natin for this VinFast MPV7 full electric vehicle 7-seater. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, DMB Car Reviews. Thank you guys for watching and see you sa mga next video natin. Bye and God bless everyone.